everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Naturally AJ, and today I will be doing a combination of flat twist along with single strand twist using the Main Choice product line. First of all, I will be using this. This is a soft as can be 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh conditioner. You can use it as a co-wash, leave-in, or detangler. I will be using this as my leave-in, and this is awesome. I love Main Choice products. There hasn't been a product yet in that line that I didn't like yet, but everything is good. But anyway, then after I put the leave-in in my hair, I will be using the doesn't get much butter than this. I'm going to put that after I put in my leave-in. This is like a pure botanical blend, has vitamins and a lot of good ingredients in here. This is very softening to the hair. It really makes the hair soft, moisturizing, and it shines, and just it's the bomb. I just love it. After that, I will be applying the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. This is one of my favorite gels. It's really good. It's very light, runny. It's the weirdest thing. You guys probably already seen this from other YouTubers, but it's so light and runny, but boy, does it really do the job well as far as defining curls, the curl pattern, just enhancing that. It's wow. I don't understand this, but it does the job. I like it. I really do like it. A good gel, quality gel. You won't beat it. If you haven't tried this, just pick it up. All right, I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair. I have my hair separated in 3 sections, and first I'm going to be adding some water to refresh it a little bit on my ends, always my ends. And then I'll add the leave-in. Not add about that much. Add a little bit more to my ends. I don't know about you guys, but my ends can get kind of dry, and I add a little bit more product, probably more as needed. Well, not more as needed, but I guess what I meant to say is more than I probably should, but it depends on your hair. If the hair is dry, moisturize it. You have to moisturize natural hair. That is for sure. For sure. Okay. I probably should just go ahead and add the butter to this one section. Okay, I don't know if you ever seen this. It's really, oh my gosh, look how thick this is. It's like a thick chunk of shea butter, but it's so good. You just have to rub it through your hands. Rub it. See, it becomes kind of clear. Always a little bit more for my ends. I got to take good care of the ends of my hair because that's the oldest part of your hair, so you have to take extra care when it comes to your ends. You guys see how different it looks so far? Once you put that moisture in your hair. Okay. All right, let me go ahead. Part this into two. Okay. All right, now. Okay, guys, now watch this transformation. I'm going to take a little bit of the gel. You guys see how it is, right? Really thin, kind of runny. Okay, watch this. Okay, you guys see that? How it's weighing down my hair? Weighing it down, but to enhance the curl pattern. Especially you'll see it after I take the twist out. Okay, you guys. It's taming. It tames my hair. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do a flat twist. Here we go. I haven't used this gel in a while. I don't know why, because I love it a lot. I guess I've just been trying a lot of new products and, you know, trying to see what works best on my hair and just testing products. Testing. Okay. All right, there's flat twist number one. Flat twist number one. Feels like I need a little bit more water. See, my hair dries out quickly. Jeez. Okay. Here we go with the gel again. So you guys see that? The transformation. The transformation. twist number 2. Now I'm going to go off camera and go ahead and finish up with all my twists. Now I'll come back and show you how many twists I used, and that's it. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's days later and it's time to take out these flat twists so we can see the final results. So first of all, I'm going to start off with almond oil. I love almond oil. My hair loves almond oil. Makes my hair very soft and it really soaks in to my hair. Yes, it does. So I'll just put some of that in my hair and I'll start taking out these twists. I would shake my head, but I don't do that because I might get a headache. I know you guys seen other naturals that flip their head back and forth and do all that. No. My head will start hurting. Can't do that. Okay. I went off camera for a little bit so I can fluff it up some, because you can't really see too much when you're looking in the camera. So I just looked in the mirror, fluffed it up a little bit. What do you guys think? Main choice. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Main choice. All right, these are the final results, and until next time, be a light, shed some light, and God bless. All right. Mwah.